In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Microsoft PowerPoint is up to date using a straightforward process. Keeping your software updated is crucial for maintaining security and accessing the latest features that Microsoft continuously develops. Updates can help improve the performance of your presentations and introduce handy new tools that enhance both your productivity and creativity. First, let's start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint file. Launch the application in whatever way you're accustomed to, whether it's through your desktop shortcut, start menu, or by directly opening a PowerPoint file. Once you have it open, take a moment to enjoy the new project options, but for today, we'll focus on the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you want to locate and click on the File tab. This tab is your gateway to a variety of settings and features within PowerPoint. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu filled with different commands. Don't let these options overwhelm you. You're going to make a beeline for the Account section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to updating your application. Now that you've clicked on Account, you're in the right place to proceed. The screen that opens up will display a variety of information about the version of PowerPoint you are currently running, along with options for managing your account. Direct your attention to the part of the screen that mentions Office Updates. This section is pivotal for maintaining your PowerPoint's performance and security. Here's where you'll find options for updates. Selecting Office Updates will give you the opportunity to manually check for updates or configure PowerPoint to automatically download them when available. If you see a button that says Update Now, go ahead and click on that. This ensures that your software is up to date with the most current changes and improvements. Running the most recent version means that you benefit from any bug fixes or security patches that Microsoft has provided. Once you click on Update Now, the updating process will begin. You may see some prompts on your screen as the update runs, guiding you through any further steps if needed. Feel free to continue with other tasks while it updates, as this process typically runs independently and should not interrupt your workflow. After a few moments, the update will finish and you'll be notified that your PowerPoint is now up to date. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Microsoft PowerPoint. This simple check can significantly enhance your user experience, ensuring you have access to all the latest tools and security measures. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you tune in for more tutorials on how to get the most out of your software tools. Remember, keeping your applications updated can make a world of difference in their performance and utility.